vehicle? Check out the 2020 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, driver convenience group, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, leather shift knob, Sirius XM travel link. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.